Hello everyone, welcome to the Data Visual channel. Today we are going to see how to delete blank rows inside your worksheet in Excel file. As you can see, there are lots of blank rows inside my worksheet. So how to delete them? So let's start. First of all, you have to click on this triangular button to select all your data inside your worksheet. After that, press Ctrl plus G button on your keyboard, or else you can also use function 5 button. Then this dialog box will appear. After that, click on this special tab. Inside special tab, you have to select blank here to select all the blank rows. Then click OK. As you can see, all my blank rows got selected. After that, you have to delete them. For that, go to the delete tab, select delete sheet rows, or else you can press Ctrl minus on your keyboard, select shift cell up, click OK, and all the blank rows are deleted and your data is clean now. So in this way we can delete all the blank rows in one go. So thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Bye bye.